Hi Amy, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. I'm good. I'm excited for our collab.
So am I. So am I.
So, we've decided to do the A to Z challenge. And I know the purpose of our phone call now is to pick some A to Z challenges out ready for our collaboration. So,
Yes,
are you ready?
I am ready.
So, just to say, they're all in here. I've not pre-picked anything. Do you trust me?
Of course, I trust you.
Okay, so first one. And it's not as if we can just chuck them back in now.
Oh, we got rainbow.
Half a rainbow. Okay, that's good. Oh, this is interesting, isn't it?
Yay.
Can we pick three?
Three. Let's do three first. We'll see.
Oh, G for
Oh,
gold.
gold. Just like Olga. Rainbows with gold.
Oh,
Syringe. Oh, interesting.
so syringe, rainbow, and gold.
Oh,
Pick with three, or should we pick another one?
let's do one more.
One
Let's
more?
do one more. Yeah.
One more.
Lines. Oh, yes. Perfect.
Oh, there we go. We know we're
Perfect.
going to do a ring pour.
No ring pours. No Dutch pours.
Yeah. So, R for rainbow,
Yes.
G for gold, S for syringe, and L for lines.
Perfect.
My head is buzzing now. I don't know about you.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. I've got some ideas already.
Oh, I'm jealous. I'm jealous. Okay, well, let's see what we can create.
Sounds good.
Hi everyone, thank you so much for joining us. So this is a collaboration with Amy. Now we picked 4 letters from the A to Z challenge, and that was for rainbow, gold, lines, and syringe. I nearly forgot it. How could I forget it? We just did it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my syringe and I'm going to layer in the syringe rainbow colours. And then the idea that I've got is to have a gold base on the canvas, and then I'm going to inject that the paint from the syringe onto the canvas in a line. So that's the idea that I've got. Let's see if it works. I don't know if I'm going to blow it out or whether I'm just going to tilt it. I'm just going to see really what happens with the reaction of the gold and the rainbow colours. It could be a muddy mess, but hey, who knows until we give it a go, right? So that's the plan, that's the challenge. Let's see what we can create. Okay, my colours are all mixed with just water, so very fluid consistency. My base, I've already painted one coat of the gold. Because it wasn't a fully opaque colour, I've painted the base just so that when I do the pouring, I get a better coverage and finish. So I'm now going to layer my syringe. Okay, so I have my syringe. I've got 6 colours, so 10 mils of each colour, and I'm going to just fill up the syringe as I go. Okay, so there we go. All in the syringe. I'm going to pop the top on. And now I'm just going to blow out my base. I've obviously got that base colour on, but I'm just going to put a fresh coat on that helps me with the flow of the paint when I blow out. I really love this gold colour. I'm a huge fan of gold, but I am just going to add a layer of gold just along the middle of the canvas, and then I'll inject that paint into that line, because that will help with the hopefully the creation of the cells and the flow of the paint if I blow it out. Wow. Okay, might just tilt slightly that end. Just take that off there. It's so interesting. I'm tempted just to blow it out. Decisions. Oh, let's blow it out. Come on. I think that was definitely the right decision to blow it out. But what I'm going to do is I'm just going to blow a little bit more out here, because I've only literally got the negative space here. So I'm going to just blow that all out, because you can see that the gold is popping up from underneath. Wow. Guys, I'm going to take you straight down so you can have a look. There we go. Doesn't look as bright on camera for some reason. Okay, so I love this bit just here. It's not as bright on camera, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to let this dry. I'm going to varnish it, and then I'm going to show you, fingers crossed, how shiny it is. Okay, so I've varnished this with a high gloss varnish by Winsor & Newton. The colours just pop and are so vibrant, and on that gold background I think it's just everything, and it really, really makes the piece. I've loved working with you, Amy. Thank you so much, and thank you everyone for watching. Head over to Amy's channel now and you'll see her creation. Thanks guys, see you soon, bye.